All right, well, he introduced me as Sam Hoover. I work here, so I hope you guys all like the food. If you don't, one of the other cooks made it, and I had nothing to do with it. Yeah, I didn't know that I was going to be speaking tonight, so I'm not going for gold. Just maybe warm your hearts and extend your evenings. So my story of reunion goes back to, when I was even younger than I am now. Church camp, actually. Always a good place for stories. And,
True that.
And, whenever I was younger, I considered being a pastor, and, maybe I would have gone somewhere with that if I had spent more time reading the Bible at church camp and not, looking at the girls at church camp. But if I didn't look at the girls, I wouldn't be able to tell the story I get to tell tonight. So,
amen.
Yeah, so, spend a week off in some farm. There were horses and rock walls and plenty of fun things for young people to do. It was a bunch of people from our church, and for some reason there was just these two people there that weren't from our church. Their parents just randomly sent them here. One of them was a young girl, and we, over the course of the week, talked to each other. It was nothing nefarious. We were only 15, 16. And we really hit it off, and it was almost like a movie where at the end of the week you're just like, oh man, there goes the love of my young life. But luckily, nowadays that doesn't happen because you have phones and you can pick up your cell. So, we just continued to talk and really hit it off, and, we were like, we should meet up again sometime. And, being too young to drive, somehow we coerced both of our parents into driving us to a meeting point. She lived all the way in somewhere, Ohio. And, I'm in Shippensburg. But we found that the Warhol Art Museum was comfortably seated between us. She was an artist. I would support things that I would think make her like me more. So we go to this art museum, we meet up, our parents greet each other, we go in, walk around. It's a beautiful museum, and eventually we all go and get some lunch in the cafeteria. And I remember, I was like, all right, this girl doesn't seem to not like me, so we're gonna try to swing our first kiss on this. It'll be pretty romantic, I'm gonna be spitting some game. And it was running through my mind. I was like, all right, there's so many good lines to use here, you're the only masterpiece here. Or, I know they say you can't touch the paintings, but so while our families are getting lunch, we're like, hey, we should go walk around. So, we walk around. And they had these little rooms that were off to the side. They had just films playing on a loop. And we found one and sat down, and we were the only people in there. I was like, all right, this is my chance, We got the good lines. We're gonna just sweep her off her feet. And I turned to look at her and just froze. My mind was blank. I was shaking, a lot like I'm shaking in the boots. And, the clever line I managed to spit out was, do you wanna, She reached and took my hand and put it on her face. And all the anxiousness left. She said yes, leaned in, and it was a beautiful moment. Even if I wasn't as suave as I thought I'd be. And, that was probably one of the most important reunion memories and stories that I have to share. Hope you enjoyed.